Hey, hi, and hello. Welcome to the 2-week Flow Along Mobility Challenge. All you have to do, and my challenge to you, is to commit to doing this every single day for 2 weeks, only 10 minutes a day. And by the end of those 2 weeks, you should learn how to do rope flow, but more importantly, find that you have better mobility and range of motion. So if you are interested in following along, if you have any questions of the move, do comment down below. And better yet, if you're bold enough to record yourself, and if you want feedback on your form, definitely record your video, post your video, and use the hashtag TRG Mobility. All right, welcome. Today is day 1. We will be covering the overhand and underhand raise and chase. It's going to be about 5 minutes each, and we'll take a 1-minute break in between. To begin, you'll need a simple flow rope if you don't have one handy, and a skipping rope should do. Or for today's lesson specifically, even a belt will do as well. Anything that is long and has a little bit of weight on it should suffice. And my quick reminder before you begin is ensure that you go at your own pace, at the pace that you're comfortable with. Don't overexert yourself. I will be showing a few variations if you like to make it a bit more intense. But at the end of the day, make sure that you're moving in the ranges of motion that you are comfortable with so that you don't injure yourself with this. It's going to be quite hard to injure yourself because the rope is quite soft and gentle, but let's get right into it. All right, the first move is the underhand raise and chase. I'll quickly show the move without the rope, and then we'll pick up the rope. So with the underhand raise and chase, you want to stack both hands on top of each other. It doesn't matter which hand is on top, which hand's the bottom. You want to make sure that you're practicing both. But right now, we'll have the right hand on top of the left. And what you're going to do is you're going to trace a figure 8 or like an infinity sign in front of you. Do you see that? So another way of thinking of it is like, imagine you're holding a sword and you're swinging the sword up to your left and then bringing it down, swinging up to the right, bringing it down, swing to the left, right, left, right. So that's basically the main movement that you'll be doing. So let's pick up the rope now if you feel ready for that. And we'll go right into it. So right hand on top of left, swing your sword to the left, to the right, right? Trace that figure 8 in front of you. When you start, it's okay to be using more of your hands, but as you get used to the movement, I want you to bring your arms closer to you. And what you will notice is as your hands get closer, your body will need to twist a bit more to continue that movement. And as your body is twisting, I want you to pay attention to your feet as well. Shift your weight as the rope is going from one side to the other. When your rope goes to the left, you put your weight on your right leg. And when it goes to your right, you put your weight on your left leg. And what you want to do is you want to actually do a slight lift of your knee, and that will allow you to twist a bit more. So when it goes to your left, you lift up your left knee. When it goes to your right, you lift up your right knee. So I'll quickly show it from the side. Right, this is the underhand raise and chase. One hand is racing, the other hand is chasing. If you feel like switching which hand, you can do that as well. Have your right hand on the bottom now, left hand on the top. Again, engage your legs, twist your body, keep your back straight. And if you feel like you're up to the challenge, you can incorporate some leg lifts to improve your balance. So what you want to do is put your weight on your right leg, lift up your left leg when you swing over to the left side. And do it with the other leg as well. Weight on your left leg, lift up your right leg when you swing to the right. If you feel up to the challenge, you can try alternating as well. Alternating doesn't work on balance as much, but it's a bit more of a workout. And if you want to even kick it up more and get more of a cardio workout in this, you can do a lunge. But as always, remember counter rotate. So when you lunge, left foot forward, your right side is coming over to the left, so your right shoulder is over your left foot. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Work on that rotation. Keep your back moving. Try to bring your arms as close to you as you can. If you find the rope is hitting you, you're not timing the twist correctly. So make sure you're twisting your body before the rope hits your body. That will bring the rope away from you. Right, front view again. Look, I'm tracing a figure 8 in front of me, but it's not just the hands doing the work. The shoulders and the bodies and the spine are kind of leading the movement as well. Whew, all right, we'll take a 1-minute break. While you're waiting and while you're resting, feel free to just get used to swinging the rope round and round. I'll show you 2 quick concepts if you're not already familiar with it. The underhand and the overhand. Underhand is basically the rope coming from below you, and overhand is when you're swinging the rope around and the rope's coming from the top to the bottom. And if you notice, my rope isn't changing directions, but when I look on this side, it's underhand. When I look on that side, it's overhand. All right, about 20 seconds left. Take some deep breaths. Don't forget to breathe while you're flowing. All right, 1 minute. Now for the overhand raise and chase. So one hand over the other like before. This time the leading hand is the hand that is on top, not the hand on the bottom. And what you want to do is you trace a nice figure 8 using your leading hand. The bottom hand is just going to follow, all right? So once you start to get used to this movement, you can feel free to pick up the rope whenever. So when you have the rope in your hand, as usual, OK signs, have the handles loosely in the bottom of your thumb, and you start to swing in that figure 8. Going left to right, left to right. When you feel more comfortable, feel free to bring your hands closer to your body and let your body do the twisting. And what I want you to be mindful of is when most people do overhand, they tend to have a habit of hunching over a bit. So bring your back straight and make sure you're twisting your entire body, not just moving your shoulders over and hunching over. So back straight, twist your body. Don't forget to use your legs. So left leg up when you go over the left leg, right leg up when you go over the right leg. All right, so let's look at that from the side. Left, right. Keep your back straight. Left, right, left, right. When you feel you're ready, you can start to do some leg lifts as well. So same as underhand, it doesn't change whether you're going underhand or overhand. If you swing to the left, your left leg comes up. Again, don't forget to straighten your back. And then practice your other leg as well. Right leg, right leg. Keep your back straight. It's as much a reminder for me as it is for you. I do have a tendency to hunch as well. And then you can do alternating legs if you want. Or you can start to work in some lunges whenever you're ready, right? So when you swing to the left, you lunge forward with the left leg. Left leg, right leg. Left leg, right leg. Left leg, right leg. Keep your back straight. Oops. All right. Keep going, almost there. Right, left, right. Get that nice twist in. Keep your hands close to your body. Feel free to change which hand is the leading hand. Instead of having your right hand on top, now you can have your left hand on top. Same movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Right, hope you can start to feel your abs burning a bit. Your core muscles, your stabilizing muscles are getting engaged. Right, only 10 seconds more. All right, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed that. So tomorrow we will be going through the over and underhand matador, and then on day 3 we will talk about the dragon roll. So do definitely join in and follow along. Like I mentioned, post your videos if you're up for it, and if you want some feedback on your form, and make sure you tag TRG Mobility as the challenge. And do enjoy flowing. Stay tuned for the next episode.